Rockford fire crews are called into action when a South Main Street business goes up in flames.
They've been on the scene for a few hours now. That's where we find Karina Parada. And Karina, what can you tell us?
Eric and Mimi, Rockford firefighters are still at work here on the corner of South Main and Montague. While most of the flames are gone behind me, the smoke is completely covering the area. Rockford Fire first arrived on the scene shortly before 3. Yanito's auto repair was completely filled in with smoke when engines first arrived. Investigators tell me a few workers were inside, but no one was injured. No word on what started the fire just yet, but Rockford Fire says the building is a total loss. The American Red Cross is on scene assisting the owners of the business. Rockford police say the southbound and northbound traffic on South Main will be closed for the next several hours. Reporting live in Rockford for your home team, I'm Karina Parada. Eric, Mimi, back to you in the studio.
Probably a good idea to avoid that area altogether. Karina, thanks for that report.